Good evening to her classmates for today's video. It is for final examination and we just answer the 13th question in the event management. So the first question is how do you create an event concept theme? So first, we need to define goals. You need to know on how to create an event, target audience that align to your event concept theme. For example, to define your event goals and audience, then brainstorm a central theme that's aligned with those objects, and finally choose a format that best suits the theme and allows for engaging activities to achieve the desired attendee experience. This involves considering factors like venue activities or speakers' presentation, how to event concept. So steps to designing an event concept. First, define the event goals and objectives. As I already said, or define your target audience for the consideration, theme, creative brainstorming, planning, review location scouting, decide additional service, content from the event, like for example, in my event planning, I choose a wedding event. So before I do that, I before that event, of course, um, I communicate with my clients, and after communicate our clients first before the clients know my business. So my business, I want it to post on social media so that the customer or clients are in my business. So in that case, the customers know my business and they can contacted me, and after contacted me, I communicate with clients and we discuss about the event they want, like in the meeting, what is the concept they want, and also for the budget of the wedding. And after that, I will communicate the decorator, and also an event concept is the practical details for event concept includes the practical aspects of the event, such as the location, duration, cost, and who is involved, should be built around the audience and main attraction. Explains how the event will achieve the goals, considers external factors that may affect the event. So event theme, the overall goal, structure, and goals of the event includes following a specific subject in a more literal way, can include the overall mood and feel of the event. In choosing an event theme, you can consider also the purpose of the event, what the theme is to take away from the event, how the event successful mission. For number two questions, it is um, how do you develop an event proposal or bid? So I developed for the Event proposal. Event proposal truly understand the client's needs, outline a clear event vision with specific goals, and objective detail your purpose plan including logistics, timeline, budget, breakdown, marketing strategies, and your team qualification, while emphasizing your expertise and ability to deliver a successful event that aligns with their desired outcomes offers customers the proposal to fit the client's unique requirements and present it in visual, appealing, and professional manner. So, in this case, so for the event proposal, so for gathered information, understand the client's goals, target audience, budget, desired event type, and any specific requirements. Research. I research also for the venue option and potential vendors. Okay, so far in this understand the client goals. So if they have the they want for the um, or they want to if they want to have a suggestion for um, if they want for the event. So of course the clients we need to um, we need to understand the clients um, if they want the if they want to change the concept of their wedding. So because my event is a wedding event, so event and design, of course, creative concept for the event, including visual elements and branding, and also logistic and operation. Details regarding venue selection is on Lagostina Mag. Um, of course, the clients choose if they will, if they choose the venue, if they want to do so. For catering, transportation, audio-visual equipment, and setup. So speakers and entertainment, of course, for this event, purpose keynote speakers, performs, and other entertainment option. So, of course, you just need to, for the event if you are an event manager, you just need to hire for the speakers and entertainment. If the clients just want to hire for the if they want to guest speaker. So and also for these speakers and entertainment, ito yung mga taong i-hire para mag-operate ng sound system, like the sound system or the entertainment level. So both read and edit ensure the proposal free from errors in the grammar formatting. So and also for the event proposal, focus on value, highlight how your event will achieve client's objective and provide a strong return on investment. So, yun mo din na yung kung anong gusto ng kliyente, yun yung masusunod, hindi yung gusto nila kasi yun yung gusto nila. So, make the client kung ano expect nila, kailangan nila magawa. So, demonstrate is expertise, showcase your level experience, past successful events, and team qualification. So, pag team qualification, so, kailangan mo mag-hire ng team. So, kung may mga experience doon, para hindi ka mahirapan kung gawa na kayo ng event para meron na silang mga experience para alam nila yung gagawin nila. So, clear communication, use simple language, avoid jargon, provide detailed explanation. So, of course, communication. So, syempre kailangan na kapag-communicate ka sa clients mo na yung communication way para naintindihan din ng client mo kung anong mga pinagsasabi mo. So, be flexible or offer different options and different adapt your proposal to meet clients' needs kung ano yung gusto ng clients yung masusunod. Okay, number 3. So, how do you design? Number 3, how do you design an event program? So, for me, okay, for this, to design an event program, we can use define your event's objectives and critical schedules. So, of course, for the schedule, kailangan alam mo rin yung client, and also kailangan mo din mag-create ng schedule para malaman mo kung kailan mo gagawin yung schedule. Okay, and you can also consider your audience. You can use also technology and incorporate interactive activities. Define your objectives. Clearly define the purpose of your event, consider the duration and format of your event, set goals and align with your strategic plans. Kailangan mo strategiya ka para matapos agad yung pagpaplano kailangan may strategic plans. So, create a detailed schedule, create a timetable or schedule that's clear and concise. So, present the schedule in a table format, include guest speakers and highlights of the event. Tailor your program to the interest needs to your audience. Use technology to enhance the audience experience. Incorporate interactive activities to keep attendees engaged. Use event planning tools. Use tools like Gantt charts, Kanban boards, task lists, and calendars to plan and implement the event plan. Use project management tools to streamline event management and organization. So, understanding the purpose of goals in the event, determining the scope and format of the event, identifying the speakers' performers, writing engagement content, designing the event program, proofreading and finalizing the event program, distributing and promoting the event program. Of course, kailangan mo na i-finalize yung event program para alam mo kung kailan mo masabi sa client kung kailan mo kasal, kung kailan yung kakausapin yung mga team mo sa events, yung sa mga speaker, sa designer ng um, sa event venue mo. Tapos, kailangan mo din na alam yung mga schedule mo. So, of course, also for the food, if for the catering service, you need to hire catering service, and you need to know if what is the schedule for that. So, kailangan maging prepared ka sa mga ganyan bagay that you need to prepare the event management. Okay, so number 4, how do you select an event venue and site? So, to select an event venue and site, you should consider factors like the event pattern, size, location, accessibility, available amenities, and services, budget, capacity to venue ambience, parking availability, and the overall experience you want to create for attendees, ensuring the site is suitable for the event needs and fits within your budget. So, of course, kailangan mo na makausap yung clients kung saan yung location, kung anong gusto nila location, for the available amenities and service budget, kung ano kaya ng budget, and then also for the parking, if just in case if the wedding is kung gaganapin na yung wedding, so kung saan yung mga bisita, kung saan sila magpa-park, kailangan nyo na handa ka din kung kailangan yung venue na matuchoose mo is may mga parking area para hindi mahirapan yung mga ka-attend ng wedding event kung sa mga ka-attend ng event. Kung kailangan mo din malaman kung ilan yung a-attend ng event. Of course, key factors to consider in selecting an event venue, location and accessibility, transportation, proximity for transportation hubs like airports and steam stations, is to access for attendees based on their location, traffic patterns and potential information, capacity and size, number of expected attendees, or yun nga yung sinabi ko kanina, space needed for event activities and layout. So, sa venue, kailangan mo na ma-ensure na kakasya din yung mga bisita na ka-attend sa event. Kailangan mo mag-prepare din ng mga tables, chair. Sabi sa yung mag-prepare naman yung mga pinarate mo ng mga scholars, yung mga mag-prepare naman yung catering service. So, budget cost per attendee, rental potential additional charges, flexibility in pricing based on event needs, ambience and atmosphere, visual appeal of the venue, whether the space aligns with the event or provide experience for attendees, flexibility and conformability, ability to adapt the space to different formats, customized layouts for broadcast visual presentation, of course, reputation and customer service, previous client reviews feedback. Kailangan mo na may mga feedback to your past clients, yung mga positive feedback. Then you manage your responsibilities for liability. To process for selecting an event venue, define your event needs. Clearly activity expected attendee, count research activities, and deploy technology. Research potential venues, utilize online victories, local event planners, and recommendation to identify suitable options. Visit and assess venues, schedule site visits to evaluate space, accessibility, and check for compatibility with your event needs. Compare options and negotiate terms. Confirming booking, once you have selected venue, finalize the contract, secure the date. Kailangan i-secure mo yung date, i-secure mo yung date sa event mo para alam din yung clients para ensure ko na kung kailan mo naganap yung event. Okay, so how do you manage event budget? Of course, to effectively manage event budget, you should set your event goals. Thoroughly research and plan ahead. Break down costs into detailed categories, keep multiple vendor quotes, allocate funds to avoid unexpected expenses, contingency fund, actively monitor spending throughout the event, and regularly review and adjust the budget as needed. Utilizing specialized event management software can also streamline the process and provide valuable insights. So for the case tip, so define event objects, understand the purpose of the goals, relevant and budget, and allocation, choose a venue, select the venue, early and significant impact, and cost like decoration and capacity. Categories experiences breakdown falls into distinct categories like venue rental, catering, marketing, entertainment, staffing, and logistics. Seek multiple quotes, compare prices. Syempre, kailangan mo i-compare yung mga prices para makapagpili ka kung saan yung medyo mas mura. So, allocate, establish contingency fund, allocate portion of your budget to cover unforeseen issues such as fluctuation, track spending, regular monitor expenses against your budget, identify areas for potential cost-saving measures, negotiate vendors, try to negotiate better deals with vendors, especially for large quantities or long-term contracts. Review and adjust your assets, assess your budget, identify areas where adjustment are necessary, and make proactive changes to stay on track. Utilize event management software, leverage software to automate expense tracking, generate reports, and provide real-time budget insight. Consider service teams as potential sources of income like ticket sales, sponsorships, vendors fees. So, kailangan mo yung ganyan. So, kailangan mo i-calculate yung budget. Kung kailangan mo mag-research kung saan yung mga mura, for example, for the catering service, for the entertainment, kung sino yung mas mura na napag-rentahan ng yung gagawin sa event and also for the catering service.